Hello everyone, welcome to the session on Java programming. So today's concept is I'll be teaching you regarding how to write a Java program. So the first program that I'm going to execute is to print hello world, the basic standard program where whenever we learn any programming language, the first program is to print hello world. So I'll teach you how to print hello world using Java code. Okay. So see, if you see the first line, line number 1, I have started with double forward slash, which means the line which is beginning with double forward slash is considered to be a comment line. So this is how you write comment lines using Java program. Okay, so now let me add one more comment line, my first Java program. Okay, now listen, just understand how to write a Java program, and in later on session I'll teach you what are the usages of these keywords, why we have to write these keywords. Okay, so before writing any Java program, the first line will be Java class definition. So every Java application must have a class definition. So how do I begin with the class definition? Okay, so you have to start with public class, that's it, public followed by class and the class name. Okay, the class name should match with the file name. What is the file name here? It is main. See the first character, it is capital M, so MAIN. Then opening and closing curly bracket, public class main. So every Java application should begin with a class definition, okay, which matches the file name. That is, the class name and the file name should be the same. Got it? So class name and the file name should be the same. Okay, immediately after that I have to write the main method. The signature of the main method is public static void main open brackets. Now this is the file name main here. Okay, by default when I open GDB online compiler, I get the file name as main dot followed by the programming language. If it is Python program, it will be .py. If it is C program, it will be .c. Fine. So since it's Java, it is .java. Okay, now this main is different. This is the main method, the main function. Every class definition should have a main method. Okay, within main method, you have to write string, opening and closing, square bracket, args, enter, opening and closing braces. Okay, so every main class definition will have a main method. So this is the signature of the main method. I'll teach you the signature of the main method later. Now just observe, this is the signature of the main method. Okay, now within class definition there should be main method, and within main method I can write any executable statements. So what is the actual program here? I have to print hello world. So what is the syntax for printing the string? Anything within double quotes is nothing but the string in Java. So I have to print hello world, right? So it is system dot out dot print ln, open brackets, within double quotes, hello world, and end every statement with semicolon. Okay, now see the syntax here. System, it should be capital S, and the string should be in capital S. So this is the syntax. So system dot out dot print ln hello world. That's it. Okay, so let us run the program. Let me show you the output. So it is hello world. See, I'll run the code again. Hello world. You got it? Now if I change, welcome to Java class. Okay, now let me run the code. Hello world, welcome to Java class. You got it? So let me again teach you the later sessions. I'll teach you for what what is the usage of these signatures. Okay, now just understand, every Java program, Java application should begin with class definition. So what are the takeaway points here? Java, the class definition should have class name, where the class name should match with the file name. Okay, and every class definition should have a main method. And this is the signature of the main method. You should start with public static void main. Within that, the command line argument string capital S args, okay, system.out.println, hello world, welcome to Java class. So this is how you write the Java code. And everywhere, whenever a whenever the program is executed, which is the first line that will be executed, it is the main method. So line number 5 will be the first line that will be executed, where the execution starts. Okay, so this is the overall syntax, the basic syntax of Java program. Thank you.